You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. Today, the Bank of England will announce the results of the vote on the key interest rate, and it is highly likely that it will remain unchanged. But since the ECB has already begun to reduce the rate, the number of votes for its reduction in Britain may also increase. If this happens, the demand for the sterling may decrease significantly. However, a clear sell-off will occur only if the key interest rate is unexpectedly lowered. Recall that this scenario remains an alternative. Another important event of today may be the release of data on the labor market in the United States. First of all, attention should be paid to data on changes in the number of initial jobless claims. Recall that a significant spike in this indicator was recorded in the previous week, so an unexpected increase in it this week may put pressure on the US dollar and at the same time support stock indices. After all, if investors receive another confirmation of the cooling of the market, they will again talk about the Fed's readiness to reduce the key interest rate this year. And now let's move on to the oil market, which fully compensated for all the losses incurred at the end of May. Therefore, only a really strong decrease in reserves can provide additional support to oil quotes. Recall that in the United States, the summer season is in full swing, and therefore, there are all prerequisites for reducing stocks. The only question is how strong they will be. It is also important to take into account the geopolitical situation in the world, especially the appearance of any information about Denmark's readiness to limit the flow of so-called gray oil from Russia. We conclude the review with the cryptocurrency market, which is still in the red zone. And although there are no obvious sales, the mood remains pessimistic. But still, it is necessary to pay attention to the fact that there are no obvious sales. Bitcoin remains under pressure from sellers for the second week, but the decline in its quotations is proceeding smoothly, and therefore investors do not see a reason to panic. Therefore, we should not exclude a scenario in which the observed decrease will turn out to be another correction inside a wide sidewall. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.